guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can already tell by the title, I have some news to share with you. So the reason I haven't been uploading as much, I know that there was a few times that I had family issues going on, and I didn't upload yesterday, and I was supposed to. Yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday. I'm going to get this video up for you guys today. But the main reason is because Kolt and I have been house shopping. We've lived in an apartment the entire time that we've been together. We've been together for 3 years now, almost. We're officially married. We have a daughter of our own, and so many friends live with their parents, don't have to pay no bills, and it's like, we're like the grown-ups here in this entire situation. And as you know, I'm 24, Colt's 21, but I mean, at the same time, we'd like to be house owners. So we found 2 houses. Actually, we found 3. We found a mobile home, which around here we call it a trailer. I know some places they don't call it a trailer, they just call it a mobile home. That was in our price range. We also found a small house that's in our price range, and we found one that's a little bit away from our price range, but we could easily fix that with a loan and good credit, which Colt does have. My credit's okay. It's not the best, and it's not like the worst. Like, my credit's sitting at 591 right now. It's not the worst. I think the highest is like 799 or something, and Colt's is actually sitting at 734 right now. So, which is outstanding. Anyway, we are going to go look at this house, and I am going to vlog for you guys so you guys can see. The one that's out of our price range is $80,900, and everything that is in it. The bank foreclosed it a couple years ago, and the people were warned multiple times. They didn't even allow them to get their things out of the house. There is a beat-up old car out front in the driveway, and a huge double-wide car trailer that you would tow on the back of your truck or anything like that, which we would get to keep. But we'd have every single thing in the house. We would have paid $80,000 for this, $90,000. And then we would have also had to pay to get rid of every single thing in the house. Unless we did like a yard sale, we sold it, like we did something, had somebody come pick it up. I don't know. So I feel like it's kind of not worth all that work. But it's a 4-bedroom, it's a 2-bathroom, and it has a 2-car garage right outside. Plus it has a huge yard on top of that and a fenced-in backyard on top of all of that. We'd have a back deck. We would have a front porch. We'd have a ramp coming off the side of the house, which I thought was cool too, because if something ever happens with one of us fell down the stairs, something we couldn't walk, it'd be so much easier. And then for some family that we have that can't walk or has problems and has to be in a wheelchair, we thought that would be cool for them. But the 4th bedroom really wasn't needed. It would be a guest bedroom because we have an extra bed. Or we could move it into a storage room because the 3rd room would be for the new baby. But for the other one, it's in another town, and the town we live in right now is like, I'm sorry, it's trash. I don't like this town. There's a lot of people that make it trash, that give it just a bad name, and it's just ridiculous. But we'll be moving about 45 minutes away from this specific area. Anyway, this other house that we were looking at that's in our budget range, it's $32,000, and we just have to qualify 100% for a home loan. We already qualified before for a loan, but now we're just waiting for a full home loan to come through. We just have to wait for the banks to guarantee it because they've already okayed everything, and they feel like it would be a probable cause and we make enough money to be able to pay. We figured because they only want $20,000 altogether, plus when you buy the home, there's a brand new furnace in it. They just redid the foundation. They fixed up walls or anything that's needed in the house. They're going to also, with the purchase of the house, they're going to give you $5,000 just to floors because the floors are all really bad. They need to be ripped up. But there's a back deck. The back deck leads off the side of the house. There's not much of a backyard that we saw. Of course, it's under surveillance, and there's cameras out there telling you, signs and everything with the cameras saying that it's under surveillance, whatever. So we didn't go around. We saw a really big hill out back, and then the 2 neighbors that are next door to each other, that are next to us, we know them. And both of them have the same exact name, just different last names because they're not related in any kind of way. Worry about our dog barking and our neighbor calling the cops or like telling us we need to shut our dog up when we're not home. We wouldn't have to worry about any issues with our child crying and screaming and the neighbors coming down knocking on the door asking us to please keep our child quiet because she doesn't like to go to bed sometimes, so obviously she's going to cry. And then I also have a small daycare with children, and when they get really wild and carried away, we get knocks on the door constantly. So I'm sick and tired of moving into another apartment This is our third apartment since we've been together for 3 years. And the other two were trashy. This is like the only one that we actually had that was like okay and decent and stable, especially for daycare. There was a big thing with the state because I am working for the state. They were going to help me go halves with, because I have a daycare, they were going to go halves with me and they would pay half of the house that we had and then we would pay the other half. But I found out I can't pick the house. And they want us to move 2 hours away because they found many different houses that are suitable for children and don't need any kind of work done to them at all. Both these houses that we've seen, neither of them need work. Just the one needs the floor redone. It's not a big deal. I mean, we can do it. Might be carpet, we're thinking. But like the kitchen, none of it's going to be carpet. And then the living room is not going to be carpet. Excuse me. But that's why I haven't been vlogging as much. And I haven't been uploading. But I will have a video coming up for you guys on Sunday. I'm thinking it's going to be my workout routine. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% yet, but I will get back to you guys on that. You're going to find out on Sunday. Tune in for my video Sunday morning, hopefully the morning. Sometimes I don't get to it until the afternoon because I have other things going on, like all of you guys, so I take my time to relax and everything. On weekends, I don't work. Also, too, starting up in 3 weeks, I will be traveling 45 minutes one way to go to work. I'll be working at a coffee place as a head barista. So hopefully we're finding that out soon, and that'll be Saturdays and Sundays. So, and I will talk to you guys on Sunday. Until then, God bless. Bye.